Whiteout conditions plagued travelers in western Iowa. Blowing snow, icy roads, highways turned basically into ice rinks. Tonight, stranded vehicles and toppled semis litter highways.
Trucks getting blown off the road, stuff like that, because of the wind and the ice on the roads and everything, so I'm not going to take any chances.
Good evening, I'm Rob McCartney.
And I'm Brandy Peterson. First tonight, a number of schools in western Iowa have posted delays for tomorrow morning. Those are scrolling at the bottom of your screen.
A blizzard warning remains in effect until midnight for the central part of the state. We are monitoring the conditions outside. Big Story team coverage tonight with Adrian Whitsett and Ryan Luby. And Adrian begins our team coverage at Council Bluffs with the latest on interstate travel. Adrian?
Yeah, Rob, we're just off the 24th Street exit here in Council Bluffs, and the interstate traffic behind me is actually moving quite well considering what we've seen through much of the day. County management, emergency management officials throughout the state tell me that travel's been treacherous and nearly hazardous, sometimes impassable on county highways throughout the state. And truckers we talked to tonight say even though they've been driving for years, this winter so far has been one of the worst. When the wind whips like this, it's hard for large vehicles to stay upright.
There were a lot of cars off in the ditches. There were a few trucks off, jackknifed in the median.
David Gallant entered Iowa Monday afternoon from Missouri. He says problems like this started early on.
A bull rack was come up on the ramp there, and when he did, he just laid it right over, right there in front of me.
Gallant says he called his company once he made it to Council Bluffs. They told him the situation in South Dakota wasn't much better.
Trucks getting blown off the road, stuff like that, because of the wind and the ice on the roads and everything, so I'm not going to take any chances.
But it's a chance many other drivers had to take all winter.
This has been a different year. Mother Nature has just been kind of feisty. I mean, this has been a bad year, I think.
Larry Grigo of Council Bluffs drove back from Denison, Iowa. Grigo didn't encounter the jackknife semis and other vehicles strewn across the interstate, but still took precautions.
Blowing wind, little snow going across the highways, everybody driving pretty normal, but there was some slick spots out on the road and stuff. You just had to kind of watch it.
Both Gallant and Grigo agree, regardless of the conditions, just use your head.
Yeah, just drive sensibly. Watch other people and make sure they're not going to get you in trouble while you're out there on the road. Just use a little common sense, all it is out there.
And while the conditions here in Council Bluffs are subsiding, the Iowa Department of Roads reports even more closures of highways and interstates tonight. Travel is not advised at all on Highway 75 north of Sioux City. I-35 is still closed, and I-80 westbound out of Des Moines has been shut down because of a jackknife trailer. And the wind here just in Council Bluffs still hasn't completely died down, but the blizzard warning that was in effect until midnight has now been downgraded to a winter storm warning for the rest of the evening. Reporting live in Council Bluffs, Adrian Whitsett, KETV News Watch 7.